Claims of short staff and being overrun by patients. Some nurses at Henderson Hospital say they refused to clock in Sunday until they could get more help. Our Katie Munch is on the story. This is an exclusive.
Marie, some nurses tell me they refused to clock in after learning their assigned workload for that night. They say each nurse was assigned to 8 patients, and today the nurses agreed to speak with me because they want to see some change.
With their identities concealed to help protect their jobs, 5 Henderson Hospital nurses explained their decision to stand in solidarity, refusing to care for patients Sunday night unless more staff came in.
I came in a little bit early to work and I had 8 patients, and I had realized that our unit that should be having 5 or 6 nurses had 3, and we all had all full 8 patients.
Nurse 1 says more than 20 of them stood their ground until the nurse manager, the chief nursing manager, and the director showed up.
When we got the guarantee from management that they were going to stay the whole night, take their own run, and reduce our ratios, we decided that it was a compromise.
I reached out to the director of PR and media for Valley Health Systems. She told me, quote, several departments raised concerns and they were addressed when we had nurse managers come in to assist. So how many patients are too many for one nurse? Well, Nevada doesn't have mandate nurse to patient ratios. According to Nevada Hospital Association, that means hospitals get to decide what they feel is best.
So in California, they've mandated safe patient ratios at around 1 to 5 for a unit like ours, which, while it's a lot, if you're properly trained and have a proper staff behind you, definitely manageable.
However, nurse number 3 says they were forced to end their promised 12-week training halfway through and take just as many patients as seasoned nurses.
Do you know what you're doing? Now, I followed up with Valley Health Systems media director about the accusations. She told me they stand by their original statement that the majority of the nurses clocked in on time on Sunday evening, and that when several departments raised concerns, those concerns were addressed when nurse managers showed up to the hospital to assist.
Deadly motorcycle crashes on the rise here in Clark County this year, and News 3 reporter Kristen Drummond takes a look at those numbers and also the concerns.
2 motorcycle crashes within 24 hours on Monday. One deadly, the other sending the motorcyclist to the hospital fighting for his life after crashing here on Bonanza. And while he is still alive, deadly motorcycle crashes are rising in Clark County.
The numbers have just skyrocketed.
A concern for Erin Breen, who studies the statistics. She's the director of the Road Equity Alliance project at UNLV, which advocates for road users.
35 motorcyclists killed.
So far this year?
So far this year.
That's as of August 30th. 4 more than the reported numbers from the Department of Public Safety in July. Data shows 31 motorcycle deaths compared to 25 in 2021, a 24% increase in Clark County. So I asked Breen, what's happening?
We're looking at speed, we're looking at alcohol, we're looking at people not paying attention.
The LVMPD, unfortunately, has been investigating just about as many motorcycle fatalities as we did last year.
Larry Hadfield with Metro Police.
You're looking at almost 30% of our traffic fatalities, approaching 30% involve a motorcyclist, whether they're at fault or not.
The numbers matching what motorcyclist Steve McAnulty notices at the moment.
A high amount of motorcycle crashes, saddening to hear, because I have to look at the names to see if I know any of these people.
No one recently, but the co-owner of Main Street Moto near downtown Las Vegas.
These 2 were in crashes?
Yeah, these 2 bikes were in crashes.
Suspects the numbers to only go up.
Not even at the peak yet, so everybody keep your eyes on the road.
DMV reports motorcycle registration is going up in Clark County, despite motorcycles as a total percentage of registered vehicles going down.
Hi everybody, I'm Reed Cowan from News 3 Las Vegas. We want to thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Remember, you can always see more of our videos by clicking on the video links. And also don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our YouTube updates. Thanks for watching.